This video I'm going to share with you a realistic way to earn money from Etsy. A lot of people are doing this stuff and making money. I'm not going to say that you will be super duper rich with this strategy, but still you can make some decent income with this and even scale this up towards a full-time income. Okay, so now let's jump into our awesome juicy content, as well as there is one of the best course which teaches you drop servicing business model, okay, which can help you to earn money online. So the course is there, first link in the description. So if you are interested in drop servicing and making money with it, you can definitely go and purchase that so that you can learn it and earn, because learning equals to earning. Okay, so now let's jump into our awesome and juicy content so that you can get the money into your pocket. So guys, you can see we are now on Etsy, and when I search for ebooks, you can find a lot of people are selling all these ebooks in different categories. Now you can see there have been more than 8,000 sales of this particular ebook which this guy is selling on this platform, okay, which is an Instagram guide how to grow on Instagram, and that is the stuff which this guy is selling an ebook about. Now you can see this is the ebook which is just $1.12, and you can see there are so many people who are purchasing this ebook from this platform, which is just a digital PDF download. Okay, now that can be one of the thing which is really awesome. I know there is some competition in this, but you can target out the niches which have less results. For example, health ebooks, for example, wealth ebooks, all this type of different categories of ebooks people are searching on eBay. Okay, so you just have to work it out and just search for ebooks in different category. For example, parenting. Okay, so if I search for parenting ebooks on eBay, I will find that there are a lot less competition. Is there. You can see only 270 results are there on this. Okay, so you can do this easily. Okay, and where you can find this ebooks is also what I'm gonna tell you in this video. Okay, so when I search for parenting ebooks, there are only 270 results, which is really a very less competition which is there on this platform. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to go to over here on this website which is known as idplr.com. okay, now idplr.com is a website where you can get free ebooks. Okay, free ebooks in a lot of categories are available on this platform, so you can download this ebooks and you can then upload those ebooks to eBay platform and start selling those ebooks on this platform, and you could be earning money from this platform. The only trick is that you just need to find out the categories which have less competition on this platform. So when you search for parenting ebooks, you can see only 270 results are available in this category. If you search for spiritual ebooks, let's search for spiritual. Let's search for spiritual ebooks. So you can see there are 6,000 results. Okay, so this is a bit competitive, but if you search for parenting ebooks, then there is very less competition. So what you can do is you can go to this IDPLR website, search ebooks on parenting. Okay, and then you can just download those ebooks, and these ebooks which you get on this platform are private label rights. That means you can sell those ebooks on other platforms because they have master resale rights. Okay, so that can be one of the best strategy to earn money online with this method. Not many people are gonna do this stuff and earn money with it, but you can be the one who could be doing this and making money online realistically on Etsy. Etsy is a trusted platform which works all over the world, so there won't be any country restrictions for you if you are going to work on this method and really earn some money with this simple awesome strategy which can be done absolutely in an awesome manner by yourself. Okay, so definitely if you are getting some awesome value out of this video, I would like to tell you that smash the like button. You can see there have been so many of the categories which have very less competition on eBay, so you can really come to this platform, upload ebooks in those less competition categories, so that you can rank in the search results and earn money as soon as possible from this platform. That can be one of the way of earning money, because this is a digital product, so that can be one of the best thing for you to make real income online. And definitely do smash the like button if you got some value out of this video, and smash the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next awesome video with some awesome content which will help you make money online, okay, in a realistic manner. So we'll see you in the next awesome video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.